for the official red recording. We are recording, boys and girls, so that family members can watch this later, because we know sometimes it's hard, and that's one of the perks of being virtual. You get to watch it at a later date. So again, welcome, boys and girls and families, to Beardsley Academy's 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade 3rd Trimester Awards Assembly. We are going to get started, and as I shared earlier, we just asked that everyone keeps their mics off to be respectful of all participants, and the chat has been closed to avoid any chats. So we thank you for your understanding with that. So let's jump right in. Boys and girls, we are going to recognize students for outstanding achievement in reading, writing, and math. We'll start with Mr. Jeffcoat's class. For outstanding student in lectura, Emmanuel Sedano. In lectura, Bryant Diaz. En escritura, Carlos Tapia. En escritura, Joseph Sanchez. En matemáticas, Jocelyn Vargas. And in mathematicas, Vanessa de Arcos. In Ms. CK's class, for outstanding achievement in reading, Daniel Gutierrez. In reading, Charlie Bendana. In writing, Nathan Gonzalez. In writing, Aiden Van Savage. In mathematics, Autumn Gonzalez. In mathematics, Daniel Torres. For Ms. Torres's class, in lectura, Sienna Bishop. In lectura, Rosemarie Ortiz. In escritura, Sofia Valencia. En escritura, Gianna Solares. En matemáticas, Valerie Flores. En matemáticas, Anaí Banuelos. For Ms. Posner's class, in reading, Scarlett Gibson. In reading, Christopher Garcia. In writing, Alexandra Perita. In writing, Sophia Duran. In mathematics, Melanie Lobbins. In mathematics, Julio Torres. And in Mrs. O'Donnell's class, in the achievement in reading, Diana Colindres Garcia. In reading, Rafael Lozada. In writing, Giovanni Vadillo. In writing, Alexander Harris. In mathematics, Isabella Delgadillo. In mathematics, Sofia Castillo. In reading, Crystal Herrera Quevedo. In reading, Daniela Maravilla. In writing, Mia Sosa Gonzalez. In writing, Jose Marquez Guzman. In mathematics, Jocelyn Funes. And in mathematics, Almarelli Valdivia. And in Mr. Green's class, in achievement in reading, Jack Janess. In reading, Samantha Aguiano. In writing, Casey Calderon. In writing, Isabella Gonzalez. In mathematics, Derek Campos. In mathematics, Genesis Guerrera. Now we are going to move on to our let's give those kids a big round of applause. Yeah. We are going to move to our academic improvement in the areas of reading, writing, and math. In Mr. Jeffcoat's class in the area of lectura, Arnold Aguirre. In escritura, Fabian Villa. Y en matemáticas, Irma Martinez. Ms. CK, in the area of improvement in reading, Jennifer Aguirre. In writing, Kalea Palmer. In math, Jesse Arroyo. In Mrs. Torres's class, in lectura, Juan Banuelos. In writing, Liliana En escritura, Liliana Monterosa. In mathematics, Nathan Valerio. In Mrs. Posner's class, in the area of reading, Joseph Hernandez. Valeria Gervasio. In math, Viviana Salinas Martinez. In Mrs. O'Donnell's class, in the area of reading, Isabella Delgadillo. In writing, Jeremiah Telon. In math, Carlos Saldivar. In the area of reading, Andrew Duran. In the area of writing, Aaliyah Kenny. And in the area of math, Rafael Martinez. For Mr. Green's class, in the area of reading, Jennifer Castaneda. In the area of writing, Julian Velasquez. And in the area of math, Sofia Oropesa. Sorry, talking a lot. Excuse me. Teacher's choice. This is an area the teacher has chosen to award the student. For Mr. Jeff Coate, Vanessa de Arcos, por ser trabajadora y respetuosa durante todo el año. Bryant Diaz, por ser trabajador y respetuoso y por su actitud positiva. From Miss CK's class, Charlize Carrion, for doing an outstanding job overall this year. She turned in all her homework and she paid attention in class. And Evan Acosta, his hard work this year, and I'm proud of all his accomplishments in all subject areas. And Mrs. Torres, Patrick Ramirez. Este último trimestre, Patrick realmente lo ha cambiado y está prosperando. Y Angie Angel. Angie ha demostrado dedicación y motivación. Ella siempre está al tanto de sus asignaciones y hace su trabajo con un 110% de esfuerzo. For Mrs. Posner, Tamara Mata, showing dedication and perseverance towards distance learning. And Delilah Lopez, always being polite and showing good manners towards others. For Miss O'Donnell's class, Rafael Lozada, always going above and beyond of what is expected of him. Abigail Lalata, for always having a positive attitude when she participates on Zoom. Zane Bryant, always having a positive attitude when he participates on Zoom. Little typo, we'll fix that. Joshua Ying, making great improvements in the areas of oral fluency and reading comprehension. And for Mr. Green's class, Sophia Lopez, for improved effort. And Victoria Talavera, for being a responsible student. And I forgot, let's give our improved students and our Teacher's Choice a big round of applause. And yeah, I forgot to do that for the other one. And now for our Citizenship Awards. Whoa, there's a lot of them, so hold on. We're gonna read all of our students who have great citizenship. And Mr. Jeff Coate, Isabella Oropesa, Irma Martinez, Jocelyn Vargas, Vanessa de Arcos, Giovanni Reyes, and Arnold Aguirre. In Miss CK's class, we have Autumn Gonzalez, Aiden Van Savage, Aiden Guzman, Charlie Bandana, Charlize Carrion, Daniel Torres, Daniel Gutierrez, Evan Acosta, Fernando Serrato, Grace Utter, Jennifer Aguirre, Kalea Palmer, Marco Salazar, Nathan Gonzalez, Sergei Gibson. In Miss Torres's class, we have Ishmael Gomez, Kevin Diaz, Liam Serrano, Alina Armas, Ethan Agahorn, and Isabella Valerio. In Mrs. Posner's class, Leah Perez, Melanie Lobbins, Alyssa Campos, Alexandra Pereda, Ricardo Roman. In Mrs. O'Donnell's class, Rafael Lozada, Sofia Castillo, Carlos Saldivar, Giovanni Vadillo, Isabella Delgadillo, Juliana Castaneda, Andrew Duran, Jose Marquez Guzman, Mia Sosa Gonzalez, Almareli Valdivia, Analia Kenny. In Mr. Green's class, Victoria Talavera, Julian Velasquez, Samantha Anguiano, Sofia Oropesa, Jennifer Ramirez, Jennifer Castaneda, Casey Calderon, Isabella Gonzalez, Genesis Guerrera. Boys and girls, I want to thank all of you for your hard work, your dedication. It is amazing that we are finishing up our year. What a year it has been. Teachers and staff, I cannot thank you enough for all of your dedication and support. And parents, thank you. I know this had to have been one of the most difficult years because it's been one of the most difficult years for all of us, for you alike. So boys and girls, you know we have to do it at the end of every assembly. We're going to be able, but we'll do it in one shot, to thank all of our teachers, all of the aides, all of the staff that has worked with you, and your parents. We're going to say thank you. I'm going to allow you to take off your mic, and when I count to 3, and we're going to say thank you. Okay, so you guys might want to plug your ears, parents. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank
Okay, and mic's off. Let's see how good you do this. Okay, let's turn our mics off. We have one more mic on. You guys did a great job turning your mics off. Wow. So boys and girls, thank you. Congratulations to all of you. We will be mailing your certificates home, unless some of you will get them here if you're here. Parents, as a reminder, our last day of instruction is on Friday, May 28th. Boys and girls, keep up the good work. And we will see you soon. So thank you. And make sure you go back to class because you're still in class. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Aloha.
Bye. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.